Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to remove background on a CapCut by iOS or iPhone. So first thing you have to do, now open the CapCut application. You can choose new project if you have no project yet, but today I would like to give you an example for my project. So make sure that your video have a focus object that is standing alone and have the outstanding color rather than the background, so it will make you easier to remove the background of the video. For example, this, so you can see that the flower has the outstanding color rather than the background, so we can remove it easily. So how to remove this background, you just need to go click this clip, and after that you just need to focus on this section and scrolling those options or tools into the left side until you found a cutout. In this cutout tool, you just need to click it, and after that you just need to click remove background. And now you just need to wait until the remove background is 100% applied into your video. It just the duration will be followed the duration of your video. And now when already move, you can check it. How to check that this video already have no backgrounds or not? You just need to go back into this filters, and after that scrolling the filters into the left side until you find a canvas. And now click the color and choose random color and see either the video is already removed the background or not. You can see the background now. We can change it, means that we already removed the background. So that's the way how to remove background on a CapCut. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.